Hello? Hello, hello? Okay. Uh, Oops. I already screwed up my, oh no, I hope it didn't yeet everything. OBS apparently did not like restarting. Of course. My music is gone. I gotta really scuffed, but yeah, I had to restart my PC. There we go. It's a little loud. There we go. There we go. Hello, everyone. It's me, your boy Oswald, back at it again. As you can see, I figured out my technical problem from yesterday. The problem being, I can't read, and I was opening up the wrong thing. Anyway, I kept opening up GameMaker 2 rather than GameMaker, and yeah. Anywho, back to it, more battle work. So currently, you press E. What it's doing is this, and so I want it to create a new variable. Probably organize these better in a bit. Dot turn trigger battle and trigger equals 0. So what we'll do is we'll do global player turn order, global dot battle and trigger 1. Yes, and then add an event here. Step if battle turn global dot battle turn trigger equals 1. Because we also need main creature, I think. Yep. Yes. We're stripping this lead event. So we're stripping it from the actual object, and we're just gonna run everything through. Run everything through. Run everything through a single item, which will be the battle controller, I think, rather than run everything through like the buttons and stuff, because if it's one thing, everything will be connected together in one place, and we'll be able to so copy paste that real quick. Oh right, demerge. Oh, I misspelled battle turn. Battle turn trigger. So let's see, we're gonna have room now. Dot active move equals 0. Battle active move. Oh yes, that's one thing we're gonna need to. We're gonna need scripts. Create script cr_moves. Oops, was it? Yeah, function. All of my functions so far have been the same format. I'm keeping them that way. It's gonna be that feature stat. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. It'll be attack. It'll be default attack move. Attack move equals basic.
Take my hand, it's time to leave.
Oh my goodness, I don't want this one.
From now on.
Song too much. I don't like that whispery singing audio. It's weird to me. Attack. Aim. Experimental attack. Power. Attack. Power. 10. And then 8. 21. And then just got class. Haven't done that yet, so I need to go back to the object demiurge. Global dot underscore active move power, active move class on smack on global active equals zeros. Yeah. So there you go. So yeah. Oh, I forgot my commas again. I always do that. So currently setting it up, it should be, we have experimental attack, it has attack power of 10. Oh, I forgot the comma again. Comma. It's attack power 10, it has an attack type of 21, which that's referring to the types from yesterday. A little loud. There we go. A little more quiet. And the attack class is something I haven't talked about, but you probably saw when I put into the creatures, I have attack and special attack. I will use attack class to define special attack move equals, and so it'll be, this will be, so that will be like 1 is attack as in like physical, and then the 21, and then the attack class, like for 1, will be for special. And then I imagine if because I think like non-attacking moves or something might get a different attack class, different categories. So it'd be like healing move could be an attack class 3, and a status move could be attack class 4. Really depends, and obviously this is just a very very early stage of what I want to do. So we will have big tech plus and turn trigger equals 1. Oh, yes. Red creature. Yes. I think I'll have to work on the party there. For now, I'll just hard code in the moves, and then once the move system is working, we can work on expanding how we access them. So what it's going to be is you activate the button will go to, if it's your turn, it will set the turn order to the opponent and trigger the battle turn. Well, it'll set the trigger to 1. No, yeah, it just says. So if you've selected it and it's your turn, it will trigger the battle turn. So it triggers the battle logic. If battle turn 1, it will. So if it's your turn, it if on start battle, it should probably. What sets everything on start battle? Is it to create step here? Oh, yes. So and so I presume player creature does the same thing on create. It pulls the creature. Right, so it's yes. So you need to create. You need to open the player party. Copy. Then what we'll do is we'll create another script. Create script CR_enemy party. So then initialize main party global dot blue creature global dot. So idea is in the main game is that you're gonna have party lists for like every trainer, and when you start a battle with them, it will set the trainer list to enemy party, and then it loads enemy party into the battle system. But that's obviously a little ways ahead. So now we're currently just copying everything. This creature's stats. I think I don't need this section right here. But we do want this, so we'll use this for here, and then right created sprite blank. We will this creature equals global dot Enemy party. So now I think. Oh boy. See what happens. Start, enter. Okay, yeah. This creature. Okay. I forgot to initialize the enemy party. Right. Because, yeah, I do need to do that. I'm going to have like a 10 trillion scripts, and it's probably going to be very inefficient. Start, enter. Yeah, so it's working. Cool. And then let me just double check. Enemy party. Red creature. Oh, start, enter. Yeah, it's loading. So, blue creature. Oh, right. Creature list. No. Creature stats. Or is it? It should be on creature list. Keeping the stats separate, I could probably. I guess it really should just be all one thing, huh? Yeah, it should just be one thing. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Copy. Creature list. Name, red creature. Stats. We're gonna move the stats line. Battle sprite. HP, attack, defense, special attack, defense, ability. Battle sprite. Your red creature. And then, excuse me, type. Creature type. It'll just do type 1. Title 1, yeah. Type 1. Oh, primary, right. Type colon. Type 0, I guess, will have to be like null. We'll have to make it sure it outputs nothing. But that'll be a fix. No, secondary type will be neutral, and then if any creature has a neutral type, we don't display the type. There we go. That'll probably break something. Look at the types again. I forget the numbers. Red creature is going to be fire type because it's red. Very type 21. And then G5. Yes. So then we don't need a secondary creature list. We don't need 2 of them. We only need 1. Water type is 6. So, red creature, blue creature. Oh, right, moves need to have types. We're going to delete creature stats, and then when something breaks, we will fix it. Initialize creature stats. That's probably the first thing that's going to break. Oh, okay, yeah, no, we already defined moves into it. These moves can only have one type. Creatures can have two. Interesting. So it kind of is loading. Well, I think it's because it doesn't have any initialization anymore. Enemy creature, player creature. They're both just turning their sprites on, which is what I want to do. I don't want you to do anything else. I want the rest of the battle system to be determined by the controller. Those you for now. Those you step. So on create. So the create will be the battle controller initialization. Should probably have a variable for in battle and in battle. The player in battle 0. We probably don't need that too much at the moment, actually, because create, it will always be when it loads the battle scene. So when we leave the battle scene, we will be able to when we configure the triggers for the configure, we should be able to reset everything, I think. Let me think that one through. I'm not sure, but I think I'll be able to figure it out. So upon create, this creature, one, and then it's pulling battle sprite. Okay, so So what we need to do is set. We're gonna have a bajillion variables. So what happens is the battle starts, and we set all of these variables. Real quick, we set. Is that what I defined? Called it? I called it agility. I think ahead. Featureless. Open, darn you. Create. Oops. Oh, yeah. On create, we'll set all of these variables real quick to be equal to their. Oh wait, yeah. First. First. We have to set player creature equals format. Let me just global dot player party slot one. Okay, so it'll look like that. One, and then obviously we'll have to figure out painted creatures and stuff, but that's once I start to make creatures that actually have stats. Party bracket. I need to type things more so that way I remember. Bracket. So then it'll be that should set each one of these to be equal to feature list. I just like I don't know, dock it somewhere or no, workspace 3. Just yeah. That'll set that, and then keep getting pings. Something going on. I don't know. All right. Global player creature health should equal. Should be equal to. What? It would be player creature bracket HP. It would be. This should. No, didn't work. What happened? I deleted what I shouldn't have because I needed to look at it. And oh wait. Yeah, no, wait a minute. There should be this creature bracket. So it's not. It's not going to do anything at the moment. It's not though. I'm wondering what's the disconnect here. Huh. I've misunderstood something. We do global dot red bracket. What happens? Oh. There we go. So it loads. That's fine. But this is not. Wonder where that is. The disconnect. Curious. So yeah. Go delete that and just redo it. Just start. Oh, you know what? That's because I'm a dummy. That's because I'm a big dummy. So now, you know what it is? I create this object to run the battles, and then I don't put it into the game. Sometimes it's the simplest problem sometimes. You can see now it's working, it's running its step command, and it's pulling the data. Sometimes it's the simplest thing, right? And that's the frustrating thing. Is because obviously you can't. Hopefully one of these days I'll get a small audience. I only probably need like 1 or 2 people in chat screaming at me I only probably need 1 or 2 people in chat because then when I have 1 or 2 people, they'll see every little mistake and start screaming at me every time I screw up, and that's exactly what I want. Bracket S bracket feature bracket. You know, I don't think I used. I think I'm probably using the $sign here more often than I've ever used it in anything else. No. Yeah. But anyway, we're almost. We're actually. I think I'm making progress. Oh well, I say that right as I made a flub up. Player creature. $sign. Sir, this is a Chili's Oh, forgot a few things. Oh, that's what I forgot. The quote, not the player underscore creature bracket $sign special. Enemy creature hit $sign control defense close bracket. Player creature bracket $sign agility. Enemy creature bracket $sign agility close bracket. Forgot the quotation marks. Quote. One thing that I'm gonna have to do, I have like 10 trillion recommendations too that I've noticed this GameMaker wants me to fix, and I'll have to fix those one of these days. I might not do a few basic maintenance things live, since I don't really have an audience at the moment. I don't think just going live for literally everything is worth it. When I get to have more of an audience, something like mindless busy work like that would actually be perfect, because then I could yammer. But I might be able to do it in a later context, because if I have people to yammer with, that would be very nice. So now, start enter. Excellent. Rendering everything correctly. I say that. That'll. Oh right. Cool. Dot. Error. Oh. 0. Zero. I could probably not use an object, but a script to create. Right on game start. I might do that after a little bit of tweak. That might be one of those things I tweak. The demiurge might be banished. In short order. So this would be brackets $sign. Close bracket. Right, it's type 1? Is that what I did? Oh right, it's in the secondary workspace. Primary type and secondary type. Nope, I thought I used those words and then I doubted myself. Enemy brackets. And this list is only going to grow too, because I'm going to have more things to add in. Like I haven't, gender, names, names, levels, experience, a lot of different things that I haven't gotten around to configuring. As I think I've said a bunch, this is a modular process of slowly growing, adding on features as time can, very slowly, but building it up, layer by layer by layer by layer. You build a road with 1,000,000 cobblestones, or the journey of 1,000,000 miles is the taken with the first step, and then should I load the attack into here first? Well, yes, sort of. No. Dimir does create attack info. No, I shouldn't load the attack info because we haven't selected the attack yet. So we actually don't need those. We only need the battle active move. Because unlike the stats where you need to have both stats, we'll only have one active move at a time. And it will depend on what we load in as the active move. Yeah. Bhutan. Right, Bhutan. Run order equals 1. Battle turn trigger. No. If equals 1. If dot player order 1 equals text. How was the format of CR moves? Obviously, we'll have to configure that to not do this, but this will be the initial global attack move. And then we set the active attack to be the attacking move. We then so then it's enemy global health plus equals negative open parentheses global dot div underscore attack brackets $. I forget what the stats are. Attack power. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Attack power. Hit. Asterisk. Global. Player creature attack. Oh yeah, that's one thing we'll have to configure. Whether to use attack or special attack. For now, we're just going to really quickly set it up quick and dirty to test out, making sure we're pulling everything right. Divided by... defense. It's a very, very crude and simple version of what I want to do, obviously. I have a full spreadsheet of the maths, but I will not... I will not get into it. And then global turn order equal is equal to 2 and global battle turn trigger equals 0. If will, because we have back to the demiurge, we have enemy attack cooldown. If break, can I just do break? No, it needs to be if it is equal to 0. Global battle turn trigger equal to 1. So the turn trigger is what turns trigger. Excuse me. Snuffling a little today. I think it's allergy season, or starting to be allergy season where I live. Need to get some allergy pills or something. I think I remember reading somewhere. I think I live in like basically what is one of the worst grass and pollen allergy locations on the entire planet, and so it's like I'm not super allergic, but every time the season starts getting towards that way, I start snuffling, kinda. Then if global enemy attack cooldown greater than or equal to 1, global dot. Oh yeah, you set the battle turn trigger plus equal -1. That's wrong. I'm doing this wrong. I'm just writing the wrong thing. Battle turn trigger greater than 1. Trigger equal 0. So when it hits 0, it sets the turn, or no, not battle turn trigger, battle turn timer. Oh no, it's enemy attack cooldown. Enemy attack cooldown. If and the attack cooldown, we subtract or equal to 1 enemy attack cooldown. If global.battle turn trigger equals 1, if global.player turn order equals 2, active attack equals global.active global.player creature health plus equals to negative get sign tackle power, excuse me, asterisk global dot me attack, and we creature attack divided by global dot player creature defense. So that should be the inverse. We then set global dot player and order equals 1. Global dot battle turn trigger equals 0. Oh right, and this needs to set the turn timer to be global dot battle no enemy cooldown equals, because that needs to trigger the cooldown timer. Now then, and then this object attack pipe button, I think actually that should run. Oh, controller doesn't like. Why don't you like it? From the assignment statement. Create. Oh, yeah. Start. Okay, what's the crash? Active attack. Shit, before reading it. Okay, abort. Step. Active underscore attack 0. Let's see if we do that. Maybe that'll work. Start. Oh. Step event. There. Find value at global dot 13 negative. What's error? Now controller step 0 line 13 object HTML. Oh crumb, I 13 though. So one of you is attack. Something here is malformed. What is it? You creature defense. Oh. Ooh, I probably should have paid attention. That's not the problem, though. Define value. Copy. Notepad. Port. GML. Undefined value. And player defense. So what is an undefined value here? More 41 suggestions. Yep. Line 13. So line 13 it does not like. -1 asterisk. I will give that fix it. Abort. Okay, that's not bad. Let us just replace you with 10. See what happens. Starter. The hell. I meant, was that a different line? I wasn't paying attention. Oh, okay, so active attack power does not seem to be working. Attack or 10 attack. Close you. So let me just real quickly. If we remove this attack, active attack section, we get a game that runs. So it's kind of working, but kind of not. There has to equal 1. Wait, maybe we don't want this. Maybe something's wrong here. I think something's wrong here. My logic. I see my logic is screwed up, but I'm not sure what exactly I've done wrong. Okay, so we're checking the battle turn trigger. Um, I did something wrong. I'm gonna cut this out. Ooh, so battle turn trigger. Set enemy attack cooldown. So this will be for if. Oh yeah, so one. So if the attack cooldown 0, we boop 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 boop. Enemy attack cooldown. Else global attack cooldown. Okay. Poop. Cooldown equal to 0. Let's see if this works. Assignment operator expected. I screwed up the else statement, but I don't remember how that works. Oh, it just goes after. Yeah. Else. Unexpected else expression. Why are you unexpected? Oh, does it? Is it not connected? Then, yeah, it'll just... Yeah. Cooldown plus equal to... greater than or equal to 1. Still doing it. Now, global turn trigger. Is it not nesting them properly? Battle turn trigger. You should be 0, so neither of those should be running. Okay, so it's apparently my lack of bracketing. I will have to remember that if you don't bracket, it doesn't read the parentheses. Apparently, it doesn't nest them, which I was mistaken. Understanding how this works. So whoops. That should be right. Press for enter key. Wait a minute. I thought it was supposed to be E key, and me pressing E. Oh hey, it's just working. Red creature is weak. Red creature is being absolutely dunked on. But it's working. Let's remove the active attack section entirely. And then create active attack equals what's the problem? 0. Otherwise it will scratch out. Every step. Okay. So if player. Oh right, active attack. Active attack. Yeah, active attack equals XP. Well, for now, let's actually just see if we can do this. Active attack equals global dot. Oops, right. XP experimental attack. Attack move. So active attack. So we can set the demiurge. No. Let me move the demiurge up here. So I can just demiurge. Active move power. Active move power. Are there better ways to do this? Probably. Do I know them? No. Equals attack get s called active no power power. There we go. Let's see if this works. Enter. Working. We're so back, ladies and gentlemen. We are so back. Listen, in the midst of it's never been more over. So back. Ooh. Global dots. Battle active. Power. Start. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm so happy that things are working. You guys don't understand. I'm so happy things are working. Like a little, at least a little bit. So now comes the hard one. Types. Initialize types. this is going to be the big one. If type effectiveness calculator doesn't crash the system immediately, we should be able to plug it in. Parentheses, second set parentheses, asterisk. All that multiplied by type effectiveness. Asterisk type effectiveness. Here's a warning. I know that's because you're not lurking, right? Now we have flared up. We need enemy active attack. Come here. Active move type. So we have global dot active move type equals active underscore attack bracket $, quotation mark. What was it frickin' called? Just attack type. Yeah, that's what I thought. Attack underscore type bracket. Oh yeah, baby. So it should be. I remember my. I hope I did this right. It should be bracket comma enemy. No, this will be player because we're in the second one. Yeah. Any into real. Just need to be like underscore. Like so. Just global dot additive type global or secondary type. Got global expected. Oops, something went wrong with parentheses, I think. 921. So we count 1, 2, 1 up to 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Oh, I think I guess we missed a bracket at the end. It looks like. I'm not sure what is wrong with that statement. No, it's working. So then if we go back in, we can change the moves instead of initialized moves. Instead of being attack type, we can do 6. We can do attack type 6, right? So then it should be. Look, yeah, it's doing more damage. It's. Oh! Yes, the calculator works. Oh, thank goodness. Or at least it works for that specific type combo. Those specific type combos. Let's go! Oh, man, listen. That worked better than I expected. I'm so happy. I am beyond happy. Oh, listen. It's so simple, and it's so stupid, and it's nowhere near good. But it's working a little bit. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a feeling of of genuine amazement. I mean, it's so fun and exciting, and I'm so happy. I'm so now we just need to open brackets. No. The one problem is it's so long. Probably a better way to display this effectiveness global enemy then so now that should be like it's still see, you're still doing the same damage because it's neutral, but they're taking huge chunks. Sick, dog. Oh yeah, baby. So that should be that should be type effectiveness right there. We have type effectiveness programmed in from our type chart. So we're pulling our type chart directly. Oh, excellent. Wait a minute, I just realized something. No. Yes, no, it's good. Good. It's good. It's good. Now what? I don't remember what I was planning on after that. But it feels good. It's only been like an hour and 20 minutes. I'm genuinely surprised. Just like the complete rejiggering of the pie chart took that little time. Now what? So I want to get more done, but I'm not sure what the next step is off the top of my head. I expected this to take like the whole time, if not longer. From I need to. I think so. We have type effectiveness. I know I need to finish the move configuration. Maybe that's what I should do next. Yeah, maybe that's what I should do. So move logic. Right now we're still just slugging attacks back and forth. I probably should work on a menu. Don't think. Let me go back through. I'm gonna see if I can get my attack. Return order. Attack. Okay. But yeah. Let's see here. What we should do, I suppose, is... Oh, it's this freaking thing. Or, oh, no, it's just fascinating. Oh. Huh. It says... I didn't realize this had... thinking in him, too. 1 second, actually, you know what I'm going to do? Quick momentary break. I gotta go to restroom. I will think about what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do, though, is try to get... where I can read attack and special attack. And then we'll have that set up. And then the next day, I can work on the rudiments of a menu tomorrow. If I stream tomorrow, next time I stream, correction. The rudiments of an attack menu where you can select different attacks. And then have it so that way you can read attack and special attack. Yeah, I think I'll do that. But yeah, I need 1 second, so BRB. Back. Yeah. Yeah. So it's going to be checking. We'll do another one. Nested if statements. Always what you do. Wait, no. So if it's the turn order is 1, we do this set right here. Still, but we also do global battle. Active move class equals active attack bracket $sign attack class. So that, and then if global dot battle active move class equals workspace moves. I know computers count from 0, but I personally don't count from 0. So, well, that's one minor detail. I figured out how to get Google to stop messing with my to stop pausing my music. And that was to download an extension for my internet browser. What we're going to do is we're going to copy, Control-C, Control-P, and Right. Still an error. 2. Yeah, okay, yeah, so what am I? Then we do is we scooch down creature. Actually, this is going to be easy, I think. I don't, oh god, I shouldn't have said that. Great, now if we do... you paste you if global dot battle active move class equals 1 bracket. Why don't I do that? Oh wait, because then I can't. Oh no. Oh, it does. That actually. We're nesting if statements, boys. We're nesting them. Then Control C. Oh, bugger. I think we're. It's if. Excellent. Special attack. Yeah. Close you for now. Workspace 3. Now we're gonna set special attack, special defense. We're gonna set 100 special attack. But no special defense. Now, currently, let's run it first. The fight goes pretty badly for red creature because we're getting hit by a move that's not great for us. But that's neutral. However, if we put up the type chart real quick, we can actually type chart. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. Home profile. Type chart. Yeah, I forgot. Yesterday I said I was gonna explain the type chart, and I didn't because I started working on a different write-up. Type that hits water hard but doesn't hit fire. Air. Type 4. Right? Yep. You know, I don't remember my I don't remember my full type chart. Mea culpa. I have been I've been working on trying to remember things and type chart, but it's a lot, and oh, look at that. Oh, something broke. Like, I knew it couldn't be that easy. We're not going out of this type. Not, though. So we do big damage. And then it freezes because it doesn't attack us. Just oh. Because I forgot to change something. And then look, you can't. I mean, it's stupid, you know, just instantly. So, it's working. Everything's working. Oh, that's like 5 minutes. It's like, oh, I got more done than I expected today. And I think these systems should serve as a proper nuclei for what I plan to go moving forward, because I need to configure it so the player party pulls everything properly. So right now, I'm pulling a lot of stuff. The big thing is the attack is still hard-coded in, but I need to set up so that way the player's party has like an inventory that it pulls from rather than pulling from the generic stats. Now that's going to be the kind of hard thing because I don't think what I need to move to, but I'm also confused. I'm trying to think of what I want to do actually to have player individual stats configured. The big thing, right, with trying to set up like a personal, like your own creatures, I needed to have where I can store stats like HP that are dynamic. I needed to have its own personal stats because I do plan to have a variant of the EV/IV system. I want it to be more transparent, but I do want the system to be present in some degree, where you know each creature has slightly variable stats. I need to plan out the storage system, I guess. That might be a good thing to start on tomorrow. Player inventory, I guess you could call it. I suppose really gonna have to do it where we will have I guess what would it be? We'll have play a number of slots and predefine them, I think. Will have to be kind of the way, because we have player party slots right now set up, which is kind of what I was thinking. I guess it'd have to be defined to the party, and then what we can do is we can create a bigger inventory for everything caught, I think. And then that can have like a location, because there will obviously have to be something like the PC box in Pokemon for storing critters. And then what we can do is we can have a great big index of everything caught. And then create like a template set of slots, and then like program in like, I don't know, like set it up so it has like 2,000 slots, right? Something stupid big, and that might not be a good idea, but how I want to do it. Once I set the one template up, it should be easy to scale. And then the template records all information about the creature. And so that way, like if you have your party, right, all it's doing is it's displaying the information on the creature. And it's taking that displayed information from the big master index of all your creatures. And it's feeding that back to you. And then like every creature will have a location, right? So like most creatures will probably be in storage, and they'll have like in storage box, like in storage, and then that could be like you can have like a box and then XY coordinate for the box. But you can also have party, right? And so it can be party slot 1, party slot 2, party slot 3. And then, yeah, I think that would be the best way to do it, because then there's less chance of like when you're moving everything, you aren't act like when you're moving stuff around, right? In Pokemon, you can like pick up a Pokemon, move it around the PC, and so forth. I don't know how Pokemon does it, but like obviously since this like it's code, you don't want it to be literal, but instead what you can do is you can just have like a pictorial representation of what's going on. Meanwhile, on the back end, it's not moving. So like slots, I don't think it would have to be the concern of slots that are empty. Making sure that slots that are empty, they're empty. But I think that should be too hard. Because that adding new Pokemon to the list, not Pokemon, new creatures. Don't want to be sued. Shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. I'd say it shouldn't be too hard. It'd be days worth of work for me. Creating the slot system shouldn't be too hard. Because it'll save everything. I mean, I haven't figured out a saving system, so that's the wrong term, but the slot will serve as where we're going to save everything to, or how we're going to save everything. So, like, obviously, at first, with testing, I'll have a predefined slot. I think I'll do that tomorrow. I know I keep saying I want to do longer streams. Hard thing for me is time. I know I was awake a little earlier today, but I was having some technical problems with my PC. I probably would have been on a little bit longer, and I'd probably be doing maybe something else. I'm not sure. I might even have gotten cracking on that. But for me, though, it's big thing is getting close to when I need to get ready for work. So I don't want to stick around too long today. But tomorrow I have off. Thankfully, I have a full weekend tomorrow. I think I'll get on tomorrow. And hopefully a longer time. Maybe, who knows, maybe I'll knuckle drag my way through a really long stream tomorrow and get that whole system yoinked out. Yoinkle scroinkle. We'll see. As my perennial goal, but I don't know, I'm only starting to work up to, is to stream 10 hours a week. That's 2 hours a day, 5 days a week before work, or if you include some weekend streams, I can make up. I don't want to say make up time, but my goal is that. I think that's enough to be productive for now, but not so much. I'm going to start getting burned out. And I do have other things I want to do. Like, I do enjoy clipping. Demonstrous has been very nice to me and very kind to me. For someone who literally just showed up and was like, "Hey, how's it going?" Yeah, it's been very nice. I hope to, yeah, but I plan to, no, I'll plan to stream tomorrow. Nothing ever happens, though, so always bet on nothing. Yeah, I mean, I'm super happy I got something like that done today, because that felt like it was going to be the big thing that I was going to struggle with for a few days last time. So I think I'm just super happy. Yes. Anywho, I plan to go. I'm gonna go get ready for work. Said plan to stream more tomorrow. Hopefully, see you tomorrow. If not, see you next time. And I think I'm just gonna have to. Like I said, I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and set up a system so that way I can. Because what I'm doing now, I keep hard coding something in, and I keep having to go back in later. If I bite the bullet, set the creature storage system up, I'll be able to. I'll still have hard coding relative. Like I'll still have some hard coding, because I won't be able to set up like a capturing creatures and stuff yet, but it will be improved over what it is currently. So I will. Enough of me rambling. I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Thank you for anybody who checked this out, if you did. And as always, I'm going to keep cranking away. I guess I'll say this. I have a theoretical hope. Yeah, that's my alarm to get ready for work. Would you look at that? My on paper goal is by the end of the year to have most systems in a working order. You know, not finalized, obviously, because that's going to be a long working process. But in an order, especially because I have no clue what I'm going to do for multiplayer, and I presume I'm going to need multiplayer in this game. But if I have a finalized system ready by the end of the year, that means next year. And I'll say end of the year, I mean by my 1 year anniversary of streaming. My first day was February 20th. So February 20th, 2027. Target goal to have systems finalized. And then from there, that should be building the game out rather than just the coding. And I'm hoping, yeah, that it'll keep going. Anyway, I don't know. I keep rambling. Have a good day. Might see some more from me in a bit. Anyways, because I've been hoping. Yeah. I'll explain more when it happens. Anyway, good night.